Hi guys, in this video actually I'm going to discuss how to do the powerful combination of Opencode plus Deepseek V4 Flash for free coding. So if I go into this command prompt, then let's use the CLS. If I write this place Opencode minus minus force, so you can see 1.17.9 that install. Let's open the Opencode. So you need to use this command. This Opencode is now open there. Now you can ask any query there. Let's give it hi. Now this here hi, then this is returning. How can I help you? So here you can see the model is now Nemotron 3 Ultra. That's selected here. I'm going to use their different model like Deepseek V4. So you need to write this command model here, backselect model. Then you need to press enter. You can see this models are available. So let's select here Deepseek V4. So this is free. Press enter. So you can select here default file. So let's select the default. Now let's test with the high. So this is returning Deepseek. Second question is how to learn coding in. So let's give the C#.net. So this is giving the learn C# by better web mobile desktop. This is helping content. So next question is top or salary of employee find in SQL Server. So you can see this query that's returning the only quick-second tabs. So now you can ask any query there, any question related with the coding. So this is how we can do the powerful combination of Opencode then Deepseek V4 for free coding. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next. Thank you.